So now we are going to make this kind of a badge. We have done with the other pattern. Now I'm teaching you how to do this. It seems as if it is a flower, but this flower has been prepared by using heart shape. If you see properly, it is one heart. See, like this is a heart shape which I have to arrange in such a manner that we get a nice flower batch. So for this, we need a strip of paper like this. This measurement, this breadth may be 5 centimeter maximum or maybe 4.5. For a normal batch size, it is ideally maximum 5 centimeter. This breadth, I'm talking about this breadth, okay, not this length. 5 or 4.5. So like this cuttings I have done. Then we have to do one thing. First fold it like this, first half. Then fold it like this. Fine. How many folds? So we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 square. Fine. So first half, then second half, and now I will make third half like this. Okay. So if you see how many lines are there now, it will be double. Initially it was 4 and now it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fine. So how I get it? First fold half, second half like this, third half. Now what will I do? Try to understand. Okay. It's very simple, no rocket science. Can you see one side is like this, open one, and the other side is like this, the folding. So from the folding side, I'll try to draw a heart kind of a shape. Half heart, okay, not complete heart. Can you see? I've just made a drawing from the folding side, not from the opening side. Opening side से नहीं बनाया है. I have done the drawing from the folding side. And now if I cut it, I'm going to get a heart. Not only one heart. See, 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many hearts? Altogether we got 4 hearts. So it is the easiest way of cutting equal size heart. Now you may get confused because we need to have same size. This same size heart over here also of this color green, and over here also of this color orange. So how to do? It's very simple. The repetition of step will be, first step is similar, that is first half, okay, then the second half like this, and the third folding is like this. It is absolutely similar that what I did in case of white heart, okay. After that, to get the same size, I will just take one of the white heart, I'll push it like this. See, we have to draw it from here since this is the open side. Okay, so I'll keep this over here and I'll press it out. I'll press this out and I'm getting this heart shape over here. Can you see? But this will be little bigger because while pressing it out, the drawing will be coming out na, thoda sa bada hoga. So assuming that, I'll cut it little from inside to get exact heart. Little, very little from inside, just touching that line only. Okay, let's see. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 hearts. Can you see now? And the size, if you may see, both are equal, exactly identical. Am I correct? So this is how I'm going to cut the third strip also. So once I'm done with the cutting of all the heart, we are going to get 4 white color heart, 4 green color heart and 4 orange color heart. For the round strip, to look it like a badge, I have cut white paper and join it like this in a V shape. If you want, you can again give it a shape of your choice. Maybe I will give it this time like this shape. Okay, so this is a shape given. What else I have kept ready? I have kept the Ashoka Chakra. Okay, the wheel over here ready, and we require a big circle of 3 to 3.5 centimeter in length in radius. Okay, with a radius of 3 to 3.5 centimeter, I have drawn a circle and cut it like this. This circle may be of any color. It is not necessary that it has to be of white, green or orange. Nothing like that, because we need to use it as a base over here. Okay, as we are making this batch, we have to place all the hearts
After joining it in this way, and I've joined the strips also, just paste it over here at the back side and the batch is complete. You can create n number of patterns over here as I have shown over here. See here I have taken dark blue as the base and white quilling strips. So this is having something like this pattern. You can keep it white also, plain white if you want. You can draw blue color line with a sketch pen in this way, or you can have a tricolor lines like this with sketch pen, and you see, or you can have tricolor lines with quilling strips, or you can cut very thin strips and paste it accordingly. So many patterns can be created. It's up to you how you are going to make your batch. Hope my video will help you creating your own pattern, and it will help you to create your own tricolor batch on this Republic Day. Wish you everyone a happy Republic Day. Please like and subscribe my channel, like my video and share my video to all your friends. Let's grow together.